What's going on, guys? Mike again out here on the water, and really overcast day, but you know what, nobody's out here, so that's kind of the beauty about coming out during the week. I usually try and get at least twice a week out, but right there, this video is just to show you the different positions from these mounts here, and I'm primarily just showing you guys the new side mount and of course the front mount, which you've already seen. That video there was from the side mount, and you can see there throughout the video, and I'll put up on the screen there when I lowered the stick. And today I chose to use the Insta360 stick that comes with the camera. So here's how it's set up right now. So on that last section, this is about how far I have the selfie stick out. The first section when it was a little bit smoother, of course I had it up quite a bit. So I had it extended up, about like that, if I can lean back here for the first part of the video. And then of course I moved it down to this for the second when it got a little bit choppier out here. It's nothing bad, but you can see, I don't know if the GPS is working on this today. Last time I told it to display the GPS information and it didn't quite do it, but maybe this time you'll actually be able to see it on the dash. But I was hitting a solid 68, and you can tell that this mount holds it pretty well. So again, you know, this side mount is not meant to be taken in some serious rough water with the selfie stick extended, because your weak point's going to be your selfie stick. So if you're getting in any rougher conditions, you know, collapse it down some, it can handle pretty well. Right now I am going to switch over to the front mount because it is getting a little choppier out here. We've got some storm clouds out, and this mount's been tested through some pretty extreme water. So the side mount, one more note, unlike some of your other ones out there, or just using a regular rod holder, which some people do also use, this is secured in there, so it's not coming out. It will not come out. Right now the pole will extend, but it's not coming out. It is securely screwed. There's a mounting screw in the actual bottom of this. So your selfie stick screws in, it's tight and it's not going anywhere. that's the front one. That's probably my favorite mount. It's just because it can definitely handle what I put it through. Links will be in the description for all of these on the video. You have to click more and go down and scroll through it. But yeah, it's been a while since I put a video out just riding and having some fun. So subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Talk to you next time.